Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly create an effective and good-looking daily checklist in Notion using a free template. By the end of this video, you'll have a streamlined and personalized way to keep track of your daily tasks, supercharging your productivity without all the boring setup work. We're going to work smart with Notion's built-in resources, and I'll walk you through every step along the way. Let's dive right in. Instead of starting from a blank page, which can get a little intimidating and time-consuming, we'll use Notion's free daily checklist template. This shortcut doesn't just save you time, it instantly gives you a polished layout that looks professional and is already set up for daily tracking. Think of it like walking into a room that's already organized for work, so you can get straight to business. To begin, open up your Notion workspace. In the top left corner, you'll see a little drop-down arrow next to your workspace name. Click that to reveal more options. This is Notion's way of offering extra tools and features, so don't overlook it. In the menu that appears, look for Browse Templates. This is where Notion keeps all their ready-made pages for different needs, from project management to personal goals. Templates are like blueprints. They give you structure without locking you in. Once you're in the templates library, use the search bar to type Daily Checklist Database. Notion has a few templates with similar names, so take your time and look through the ones that pop up. I'd suggest clicking through a couple to see which style or layout speaks to you. For example, some templates use basic checkboxes, while others have columns for notes, priority levels, or deadlines. Don't worry if you're not sure which is best for you. This part can be adjusted later on. When you find a daily checklist template that you like the look of, just click on it, then hit the Add button to bring it into your workspace. Notion will instantly create a new page with the template's structure, and you'll see all the preset sections and example tasks ready to be tweaked. This saves you the hassle of building everything from scratch. Now it's time for the fun part, personalizing your checklist. You can start by editing the example tasks, swapping them out for your own daily items. For instance, maybe you want to track morning stretch, emails review, or end-of-day reflection. Just click into any field and type. You can also add new rows or columns to suit your workflow. If you're the creative type, Notion lets you add icons, change cover images, or use emojis for a touch of personality. Don't be afraid to experiment here. Your checklist should feel intuitive and motivating to you. And if you want to track your habits or routines, consider editing the template to group tasks by categories or time of day. The beauty of Notion templates is that they're totally flexible. Think of them like a digital notebook where you can rearrange pages, scribble in margins, or highlight important sections. It's all about making your system work for you. That's all it takes. You now have a daily checklist in Notion that looks sharp and is ready to use. Remember, you can always come back and tweak things as your needs change, so nothing is set in stone. If this video helped you set up your own checklist, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need more tips. I'm always happy to help you get the most out of Notion. And for more tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and here's to a more organized, productive day ahead.